Kay once said, "The best way to predict the future is to invent it." So imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a part of life, but it's the very fabric of our existence. Consider the rise of artificial intelligence, an invention born out of human curiosity. It began as a simple concept, a machine that could mimic human intelligence. But like a seed in fertile soil, this idea has grown into an intricate network of algorithms and machine learning models that are capable of not just mimicking, but surpassing human capabilities in certain areas. The cause, human ambition, the relentless pursuit of knowledge, and the desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. And the effect? It's a world where machines can diagnose diseases, predict weather patterns, and even compose symphonies. It's a world where artificial intelligence can help solve some of our most complex problems. But what does this mean for the future? Well, it's a future where artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, becoming more sophisticated, more intuitive, and more integrated into our daily lives. It's a future where artificial intelligence could potentially shape every aspect of our existence, from the way we work, to the way we learn, to the way we interact with each other. However, this future isn't without its challenges. As artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, questions around ethics, privacy, and job displacement will become increasingly important. Ensuring that artificial intelligence is used responsibly and equitably will be crucial. So as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, it's worth remembering that while artificial intelligence has the potential to transform our lives in unimaginable ways, it's ultimately a tool that we, as a society, have the power to shape and control. In the grand scheme of things, the future of artificial intelligence is not just about what it can do, but more importantly, about what we choose to do with it. It's about inventing a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also socially and ethically responsible. After all, as Alan Kay said, the best way to predict the future is to invent it. And when it comes to the future of artificial intelligence, we're all inventors in our own right.